Happy iTrade Tuesday. Happy iTrade Tuesday. Forest night out here in St. Louis. Very quickly, wanted to jump in and go through this very quickly. One of the two things that I absolutely love that's been a benefit to me is being able to learn how to trade. One of the things I've also found out is there are a lot of people that would love to leverage the Forex and crypto trading markets, but they simply don't have time to even learn how to trade. They just don't know how to do it. So one of the neat things that Elevate came up with is the EX8 app. If you can see it right here on my hat, it's the E8X app. Say that 10 times fast. Basically, it's a trading assist app that the traders put trade ideas. As a matter of fact, they just loaded one in here just a few minutes ago, which is very cool. And what I can do with that app is I can actually go into the app, I can open it up, I can put it on my trading view chart, I can analyze it to make sure it looks like a trade that I want to take. And if it's something that I want to do, then I can go into my MT4 or MT5 software, I can enter that trade with my broker and I hit enter. Now, the cool thing about this, just based on the math, the educators, the experts, the smart kids, I call it cheating off the smart kids, they enter these trades, and right now they've been running about a 70% win rate, which is absolutely cool. So if you're super busy like me, or if you're super busy not like me, but if you don't have time to trade, you don't have time to learn how to trade, but you'd like to take advantage of that, I've got a really cool opportunity for you to join me and watch me trade off the EX8 app. So there's some catches, some hoops you're going to have to jump through, and I'll show those to you here really quick, because I'm not just going to give this to you without you doing a little bit of work and putting in just a little bit of effort to make it worth your time to do this. So I'm going to do a quick screen share here and show you very quickly what's going to happen and how you're going to do it. And if it's something that you decide to do it, again, if you're super busy, you're too busy to learn how to trade, but you want to be able to take advantage and leverage the Forex and crypto trading markets and be able to make a little bit of extra money on the side, this is definitely a way to do that. I'm going to have a private group that everybody that decides to take me up on this offer, I'm going to add them into that group. The catches there is and I'm going to go through this here in just a minute. There's a few catches that you're going to have to be able to get in the group and stay in the group. And again, it's going to be a private offering, and I'm going to go through that right now. So let's jump into that. So let me do a screen share and show you what you're going to have to do to jump through the hoops to take advantage of this. So if you are too busy to actually learn how to trade, you can do this. There's also a QR code in the upper left-hand corner up here, if it's left or right, but you see the QR code, you can scan that. It's going to take you directly to this page. This link I should be also in the description here somewhere. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to come in and you're going to have to subscribe to the Elevate education platform and the EX8 app. You simply do that by coming to this link here, going to the QR code. If you can't get in, text me for some reason. You're going to scroll down. It's going to take you down here to the enrollment. You're going to click on this green one in the middle, right? Elevate subscription customer. You're going to order that, and you can order the EX8 app. You're going to get those set up. And once you do, I will get notified that I have a new customer, have your contact details. If for some reason I'll have your phone number, my phone number is scrolling right across the bottom of the screen. So when you do that, shoot me a text message. I'm going to get you added to my private group. So what's going to happen in the private group is going to be very cool. Every time I get notified of an EX8 trade idea being added into the EX8 app, I'm going to jump on and do a Facebook Live inside the group. But before we jump into this, here's a couple of quick qualifications that you need to do before you get added to the group. One is you're going to get a notification of being added or set up for the Elevate trading platform. And I know you're probably super busy, but I need you to be able to find 4 hours to qualify to do this, because it could be worth money to you, right? So you're going to come in here to the Forex Trading Academy. You're going to click on this Trading Academy, and you're going to go through the beginner's basics. You simply click on this beginner's basics. It's like 4 hours and 27 minutes. And you're going to go through all of these beginner's basics. However, what I want you to do right up front in the very beginning is start down here with this MetaTrader 4 demo account. I want you to go in and set that up, take that, do that class first, and then come back and go through and start doing these courses. Once you've completed those courses, screenshot me, let me know you're done. Again, that's 4 hours of your time. Get those courses done. I'm going to get you added into my private Facebook group. You have to have an Elevate subscription, and you have to have an EX8 app subscription to get in the group and stay in the group and watch me set up the trades on TradingView. And simply what that would look like is I'd go live. inside the group. I'd open up the trading view. I'd take the trade idea, for example, today the trade idea was a Euro USD. I would set it in the trading view. I would look at it and I'd explain exactly how to set that up in your MetaTrader 4 app or your MetaTrader 5 app, how to enter the numbers into that app so you can do that. And again, it's totally up to you. I do not guarantee that you're going to make a single dime because I said, again, 70% wins, which means you're going to have 30% losses. You might have a little bit more, you might have a little bit less. And as I tell people, if you're going to trade, don't ever trade money that you can't afford to lose. So if this is something that you're interested in learning how to do, one is you get access to that entire platform. And there's a lot more in there. There's trading Forex. Maybe you just want to learn about NFTs or something like that, or the crypto trading space. You can go in and take any of those courses anytime that you want. There's no restrictions. They have live classes. They have recorded classes. So you can go in and do both at your leisure. But in the meantime, if you're just too crazy busy to really sit down and just and learn the information, you'll have the advantage of going through the Forex basics and then being able to take those trade assist ideas, put them into your MetaTrader 4. And like I always say, you want to practice with a demo account, but we'll explain all of that when you get inside the group and you get enrolled. So if you have any questions, my phone number is scrolling right across the bottom of the screen. Text me first. If you just call, I won't answer. Text me first. Let me know who you are. We'll walk you through. You'll get get your subscriptions ordered, get those all set up. You need to go through the Forex beginners basics in that Forex Academy, get those knocked out of the way. I'll get you added to the group and we'll start doing those trade assist ideas. And every time they load one up, I'm going to go in and I'm going to walk through and do a screen share and show you exactly how I'm entering the trades. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we make a lot more money than we lose, which is typically the case. I had a really good day today, traded gold, AUD, USD, US dollar, and made a little over $1,000 today in just a little bit over an hour. So I think I'm sort of figuring this stuff out. So if you'd like to take advantage of a little bit of my education, get some real advantage cheating off the smart kids, the educators are dropping those trade assist ideas into that EX8 app. Reach out to me. Let's get you enrolled. Let's help you make some money. And let's have a great 2022. We'll see you inside. Bye-bye.